Hello, guys, and welcome back. We're back with another review. So, today we're discussing Plus 500 application. So, Plus 500 is one of the most recognized names in the CFD trading space, and for good reason. With its simple user interface, broad range of instruments, and commission free model, it appeals to both newcomers and seasoned traders. So, in this review, viewers will get a clear and objective breakdown of the platform's standout features, potential downsides, and who it's best suited for. So, first, the question is what is Plus 500? Plus 500 is a contract for difference, also known as CFD, trading platform that allows users to speculate on the price movements of over 2,800 assets, including forex pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. The platform is available on web browsers and also mobile version is available for both iOS and Android with no need to download a desktop application. This gives traders the flexibility to manage positions and track markets on the go. So there are some key benefits such as intuitive design. The app features a minimalistic layout that's ideal for beginners. Navigation is straightforward, and the mobile version is also very responsive, which offers a real-time pricing and fast rate execution. It has a practice mode available, so an unlimited demo account lets users explore all features and test strategies without risking real capital, perfect for those who are just starting out. And it also has a commission free account. Instead of charging per trade, plus 500 bills costs into the spread. This keeps fees transparent, and with tight spreads on forex and indices, it can be cost effective. However, spreads on certain stocks, CFDs, and commodities can be higher. And it is built in market insights. The platform offers in house research tools, and you can see them over here. So it can offer Plus Insights, which provides a snapshot of what other users are trading, asset popularity, and market trends. Traders can also set custom price alerts and receive notifications for news events. So there are some limitations and risks because no application is perfect. So it is only CFD platform because there are no physical asset purchases, no algorithmic or copy trading options, and no integrations with third-party tools like MT4 or TradingView. This limits advanced trading capabilities, and it is not ideal for advanced strategies because technical indicators are available but relatively limited compared to pro level platforms. Traders seeking deep analytics may feel restricted, and it has leverage risks. Retail traders can access leverage up to 1 by 30, but leverage trading increases risk. It's worth noticing that most retail clients lose money trading CFDs, and it also has an inactivity fee. If a user doesn't log in for 3 consecutive months, a fee is charged even if no trades were placed. So, who is it best for? Plus 500 is best suited for beginner and intermediate traders, individuals who prefer a user friendly mobile first platform, those who want to trade multiple markets from a single account. However, the app is less suitable for high frequency traders, algorithmic strategies, or anyone needing complex charting and automation tools. Plus 500 delivers a streamlined and accessible trading experience with a strong set of tools for casual traders with no commissions, a wide selection of CFDs, and a globally regulated structure. It's a solid entry point into leveraged trading. But for traders who demand more control, deeper analysis, or platform integrations, alternative solutions like MT4 based brokers might be more fitting. So, if you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more app breakdowns and trading tips. Leave a comment if you've used Plus 500 and let us know your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.